Lord, pay the man. Yeah. My foot all the way to the floor. You see what I'm talking about? The man told me he put got dog 10W40 in here to break it in. But look where this shit from. Got dog Dollar General.
Back there. Out in there, I'm telling you, goddammit, I'm not gonna fight with you.
Look, I'm not trying to start nothing.
Shit in here.
Where did it come from?
I don't know.
Alright, y'all, back again for another video. It's your boy. So I know y'all looking like, what he got going on? What's going on with this mud, man? What's going on? Well, first thing first, tell y'all Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all have a Happy New Year. Second of all, formerly Tuco, still Kenny, now the Truck Factor. You understand me? I think the name is better. It fits what we do. You know what I'm talking about? It's better. So check it out. It's gonna stay. This is what we gonna do. This is what we gonna be. This is who we are. You understand me? So check this out. Y'all know I drive trucks. I just been running. I got a new camera, new lenses, accessories, all that type stuff. I got only thing I need now before I can start using the camera is a laptop. So I gotta go and get me a laptop. Matter of fact, Apple or whoever out there who listening, you want to see your boy laptop, I use that mug. Just hit my line, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I know y'all want to know about the truck, so I'm gonna tell y'all about the truck. Like I said, I went and got the truck. I think he finished it sometime early November, late September. I think that's when he finished it. I put a couple miles on it, and it wasn't right. It was still ticking and all that other type stuff. It just wasn't right. So dude was like, well, bring it back to me. I'm a man of my word. I'm going to get it, you know, taken care of, whoop, whoop. So I said, bet, I'm going to hold you to it. So I bought it back to him. It may have been there about 2-3 weeks. Count this week. Without telling y'all too much too early, it just wasn't right. Before I made a video really talking about it, like I said, without telling y'all too much, I just said, all right, I'm gonna keep it a band with dude. I'm gonna give him a chance to fix his wrongs, and he gonna either do right or he ain't. If he ain't, then we'll move forward from there. But so that's where the truck is getting rebuilt with some extras, and that's what I'm waiting on. So the truck on the way. Hopefully everything turn out good with it to where I can continue building on it to be a band about it. So that's what the truck been. I just been waiting on him, giving him a chance to right his wrong before I said something, you know, type stuff like that. I just figured I'd be a band about it. 2019 ought to be pretty good. Ought to be interesting. Matter of fact, I appreciate y'all leaving comments, letting me know y'all interested in this blue truck, all type stuff like that. Cause I ain't know if y'all really like the black truck like talking about, but if y'all interested, I'm interested. That's what I'm talking about. So you understand me? Other than that, to keep it short, that's really what all been going on. Dude, just I tell y'all when I tell y'all about it. Other than that, you can follow me on Instagram. Truck Factor, you understand me? New name, who this? You understand me? Other than that, got all me like, comment, subscribe. Leave some comments, tell folks hurry up my truck so I can reveal it and let y'all know what really going on. And I catch y'all next time. I catch y'all. You understand me? Let's get it.